of educating business leaders about the controversial issue and how it affects our region. WYFT's Angela Bevan was there and has more from the newsroom. Angela?
Steve, the speaker at tonight's summit was Canadian scientist Tom Harris. He's done years of research on global warming and climate change with other scientists from across the world. He says the public is being misled about the issue and industries like coal and natural gas are being unfairly targeted.
Tom Harris does research with more than 40 other scientists and says the issue of climate change is difficult to prove or disprove.
This is the most complex scientific problem that we have ever faced. And as a consequence, we are in an era of negative discovery where the more we learn, the more we realize we just don't understand.
Leaders in the coal industry invited Harris to address these controversial issues.
He's here to share with us their scientific findings with no political agenda, just the facts.
And Harris did just that. He says the idea of global warming or climate change may not be happening the way some are preaching.
CO2 has gone up in the last 10 years. It's continuing to go up, but temperatures have stabilized and in fact are slightly dropping. So the theory doesn't match the facts.
He says for lawmakers to attack the coal industry because of what he calls a political theory is not right.
It's not necessary to cripple this area for a theory that is actually very quickly being shown to probably be wrong.
Justice says it is important for the people of eastern Kentucky and the region to understand these realities.
We need to have citizens that can address this issue, engage in conversation with knowledge and facts about the importance of the industry rather than it's just good for our community.
He says he hopes the summit helped educate the community.
Harris says the scientists in the International Climate Science Coalition are mainly tenured professors at universities or independent researchers, suggesting they are not part of any agenda. In the WYMT newsroom, I'm Angela Bevan. Steve, back to you.
Angela, thank you. Straight ahead, more good news on the